Have you been searching for the perfect sedan with safety and reliability without breaking the bank? We'll take a look at this 2021 Acura TLX technology package in sparkle silver. With HID headlamps, front fog lamps, 19-inch aluminum wheels, heated front seats, steering wheel mounted audio controls, 40,000 miles on the odometer, 10-inch touchscreen, navigation, Apple CarPlay and Google Android Auto, split folding rear seats, power sunroof, 2.0-liter turbocharged 4-cylinder engine, and so much more. For additional details, visit us at marinocjd.com, stock number 912418.
Here's another high-quality vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.